In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC and BCC recipients in a mail merge from Gmail. This guide will help streamline your email communication, especially when you need to keep people in the loop without making them direct recipients. So let's dive right in. First, to get started, the journey begins by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and type in google.com. Once you're on the home page, look over to the top right corner where you will spot the Sign In button. Click on that button to proceed. This step is essential as you need to be logged into your Google account to access Gmail. After signing in, the next step is to navigate to the Gmail service. Simply click on Gmail, which is located at the top right of the Google homepage. This will take you straight to your Gmail dashboard, where we will configure the extensions needed for our mail merge. Once you are in the Gmail dashboard, direct your attention to the grid or waffle icon also located at the top right. This icon acts as a gateway to a variety of Google apps and services, crucial for enhancing your workflow. Click on this icon and you'll be greeted with several apps. Among them is the Chrome Web Store. Give that a click. Inside the Chrome Web Store, there is a plethora of extensions you can add to improve Gmail's capabilities, but today our focus is on one particular extension, Mail Meteor. In the store's search bar, type Mail Meteor and press enter. Mail Meteor is a fantastic tool specifically designed for sending personalized emails via mail merges, making it a perfect fit for our needs. When you see Mail Meteor for Gmail displayed in the results, go ahead and click on it. This extension integrates seamlessly with Gmail and supports adding CC and BCC recipients for bulk emails. Once you've clicked on Mail Meteor, look for the Add button. Press it to begin the installation process. Follow any additional prompts to ensure the extension is installed correctly. Having Mail Meteor set up in your Gmail will enable you to create mail merges with ease, adding CC and BCC recipients efficiently, whether you're communicating with colleagues for work or organizing a community event. Remember, Mail Meteor helps keep the process organized and ensures you reach the right people without them being in the main recipient list. That's it. You've successfully added the ability to include CC and BCC recipients in your mail merges using Gmail. With these steps, you can now enhance your email campaigns, maintaining professionalism and improving communication flow. Thanks for following along, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tech how-tos.